Hello friends, welcome to Everyday Current Affairs. Here I am with some new questions again. So let's start. First, International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. It's on 17th October. International Day for Eradication of Poverty 2021. A World Bank report says that around 88 to 115 million people have been pushed towards poverty during the COVID-19 pandemics. This was a report from World Bank where around 88 to 115 million people have been pushed toward the poverty level. So as we all know that due to this pandemic, lots of harm has been there. So one of that is poverty also. It's second one. Where has the red light on, Gaddi off initiative been launched? It has been taken. The initiative has been taken by Delhi. Some sides of that. In a bite to tackle air pollution in the national capital, Delhi government on Thursday launched Red Light on Gaddi Off initiative. The initiative part of Youth Pradushan Ki Ke Virudh campaign promotes switch off the engine while waiting on the signals. Yes, guys, this initiative should be taken by each and every state in India. Uh, yeah. Third one, which country football team has won the South Asian Football Federation Championship to 2021? That's India. Some sides of that, the South Asian Football Federation Champion, commonly known as SAFF Championship, is the main international association football competition of the men's national football team governed by the South Asian Football Federation. All seven teams are eligible to compete in tourism in tournament. Yes, or all the seven nations are been eligible to participate in this. All the seven teams, sorry. Fourth, which city 7 years old girl Adhya Arvind has won the Global Peace Photo Award? That's Bangalore. We are talking about the Adhya Arvind Shankar, a 7 year old healing from Karnataka, Bangalore, who has scripted history by becoming the first ever Indian to win the Children's Peace Image of the Year Global Peace Photo Award. Yeah. So moving onwards, fifth. When has National Security Guard celebrated its 37th Rising Day? It's on 16th October. Some insights of that. Every year, the Rising Day of the National Security Guard is celebrated on 16th October. This year's mark the 37th anniversary of the establishment of the NSG, popularly known as Black Cat. As we all know that NSG is known as the Black Cat, which gives securities to all the VVIPs. Sixth, the appointment of seven new judges has been notified in the High Court of which state? That's Gujarat. Which IIT team has identified a new symptom for the treatment of prostate cancer? IIT Kanpur. Research at the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kanpur, have discovered that a particular gene, DLX1, which plays an important role in the development of jaw, skeleton, and interneuron in the brain, has an important role to play in the growth and development of prostate cancer. Yes, the team of IIT Kanpur has taken out a nice research on this. Moving onwards, 8. The president of Jagram Group of Publication has passed away. What is his name? And the name is Yogendra Mohan Gupta. As we all know that he was means, a, a heady political means strong politician. And some insight about him. Jagvigan Ram life was eventful and cheered as an successful politician can be an almost unbroken record in office from 1946 till 1979, as this was the duration from 1946 to 1979, headed politically drama when he quitted the Congress one in 1977. An adorable track record in several key ministries, a rare degree of respect from the bureaucrats he worked with, the, the mental of India's most famous Harjana since B.R. Ambedkar. Yeah, this was some Yogendra Mohan Gupta's insight. So let's move on. Who will be honored with Harmony India Award 2021? Harmony means over your happiness, and the name is like Veer Munshi, veterinary artist Veer Munshi, Kashmir singer Professor Kailash Meher, and Sahitya Akademi Award Zarif Ahmed Zarif are among 16 eminent personalities of various fields in Jammu and Kashmir to get this year's Harmony India Award at a ceremony here on Saturday. Here on Sunday, a spokesman of the Harmony India Foundation said on Saturday. Yeah, and as we all know that Veer Munshi will be getting the Harmony India Award 2021 this year. Moving onwards, Ministry of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan has gone on a 5 days visit to which country? It's Sudan. So that's all, guys. This was from my side. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.